Hello, how are you? Today I am having Zaxby's. Okay, so this is what we're having today. Chicken. Ooh, this is the wings and things. I got some ranch dipping sauce. I have some ranch dipping sauce. Open this up. Ready to chow down. First thing I love to grab is some celery. So good.
This one's so good.
It's so yummy. The girls are still eating back there. It's one of my buffalo chicken wings. You also get the chicken tenders to go with it. And the drink, I got some sweet tea. I usually taste my sweet tea while I'm in the drive-thru, because sometimes they'll mistake and give you unsweet tea. But they got it right this time. Today it's raining. It's like really raining. It's not pouring. It's not pouring loud enough so that you can hear it.
But we hear it's pouring.
It's raining enough. Some fries with some ranch dressing on top of it. Do you guys like the toast? This is my toast, and it has like butter and stuff on it. I never eat the toast. And the same thing, like if I'm getting a chicken box or something like that from Bojangles or KFC, I never eat the biscuit unless I'm really, really hungry. But I really try not to eat the bread. Some more ranch. If you hear noises, my babies, you'll always hear noise in the background. Done? Let me see. Okay. And this is what I have left. I'm still dipping in my ranch. You guys are eating Zaxby's with me. It's so good. So spicy. It's hot, spicy. But that's what I wanted. I wanted buffalo. So that's what I get. It's another chicken strip with ranch on top of it. Mm. I'm getting kind of full. I noticed that I get full faster. Say if I skip breakfast or just skip meals throughout the day. And on a regular, I typically don't do things like that. But if I do, whenever I finally do eat, I'll fill up really fast. I don't know about y'all, but I do. Mm. Back to my celery. It's so yummy. Mm. Nice and crunchy. Some more chicken strips with ranch. Mmm. So good. Oh yeah, by the way, today I'm using my vlogging camera. Last time I used my iPhone, but I really hated to do that, but it's the only thing that I had at the moment. So the quality should be much better for this Zaxby's vlog or mukbang. Mukbang. You guys dip your fries in ranch dressing too? I do. It's so good. Just still dipping away. I've even dipped my chicken in the Thousand Island dressing before, and it's pretty good like that too. It's always nice to have the celery sticks, especially if you're eating something spicy. So yummy. It's so rainy out here. Oh my god. I'm not doing much. Probably around 4 o'clock. Me and the kids will go to the gym. By the way, I love fitness. When I usually go, I stay about an hour to an hour and a half. I do 30 minutes of cardio, sometimes 20 minutes, and the rest weight training. That's what I have left. So good when you dip it in ranch. Time for a sip of drink. By the way, I've noticed that I don't like to drink a whole lot whenever I eat. I feel like if I drink a whole cup of liquid, juice, whatever it may be, I won't be able to eat that much. I'll just fill up like crazy. So when I eat, I might take a few sips. Like, I'll show you how much I have left right now in my drink. It's still all the way up to here. So I can't drink that much. I'll just fill up like crazy. Ranch is so good. Excuse me. so yummy. You have a bite? Ranch and buffalo. Extra yummy, you guys. I'm getting so full. I'm about to stop eating. But I'm gonna tuck the rest of this away for later. If you guys enjoy seeing these mukbangs or watching me eat, let me know so I can keep posting them. But thanks for having lunch or dinner with me. I love you guys. Bye.